The Netherlands has just signed a contract to purchase 3 additional NH90 NFH NATO frigate helicopter maritime combat helicopters, with deliveries expected around 2030. This deal, announced on December 9, 2025, was facilitated through the NATO Helicopter Management Agency, NAHEMA, and NHIndustries, aiming to expand the Royal Netherlands Air and Space Force's fleet for enhanced NATO readiness in northern waters. The contract also includes an option for 2 more helicopters and plans for upgrades across the existing NH90 fleet to improve capabilities. This addresses a long-standing gap in maritime helicopter capacity for the Dutch Navy.